The new four-wheel auto folding scooter is becoming a rage for North American travelers, especially seniors and people with disabilities. This scooter is a game changer in the travel industry. Fob helps in automatically folding and unfolding this scooter. It gets activated by pressing a button on the dash or using the remote control, and it takes a total of 12 seconds to unfold the scooter completely. A comfortable design with soft handle grips adds to the smooth ride. Digital LCD indicates your speed and gives you an update about battery life. It is simple to adjust the height of your scooter handle to give yourself an optimal driving position. Easy plug-and-play charging in driving or folded mode with a simple installation of lithium battery. It is straightforward to get on and off the scooter by merely flipping the armrest, and with the comfortable and padded seat, it makes it easy to go for long drives. Loaded with features, it makes it easy to access and operate freewheel lever. Puncture-proof rubber tires help in a long and a smooth ride. Easy fold-in option by pressing a button on the dash or through remote control and converts the scooter in compact handheld luggage and can be maneuvered with ease. The total weight of this impressive carry-on transport chair is just 60 pounds or 27.5 kilograms and has been designed to carry in car boot or store in a small place. Get online to buy this state-of-art gift for your elderly parents this Christmas on www.homehealthcareshop.com or call us on 1-877-333-4111 between 9:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. PST, Monday to Friday.